wanted to tap in with y'all real quick, keep it real with you. Hey, so my name, Big Ant. This is Real Life Lessons, man. So what I want to let y'all know, I started this amazing opportunity. I really think is the best way to combat a university college where you're spending thousand dollars to learn something and it's called the Digital Boss Academy. Now, I got a credit repair business, but this is so much more than just a credit repair business. It's a Turo business. It's a go viral business on Facebook, TikTok. You can learn how to use Canva. You can use CapCut. You can learn how to new construction for houses and buildings, fix your credit, get business funding. You can learn how to do almost anything. So I'm documenting my journey starting fresh, without a pot to pee in and a window to throw it out, because I want y'all to see that burn all bridges so you ain't got no reason but to succeed. That's right. No reason but to succeed. What are you doing to make your portion of America great again? Listen, the product is going to be in the description. Right now I got volume 1. With volume 1 will teach you so much stuff. Volume 2 is available where you get volume 1 and volume 2. And then you also have volume 3. Then it's going to be some bundles in there, anything that floats your boat. But listen, how much do it cost to take a good date out to dinner? Dinner at $50 a person. That's if y'all get drinks. You might not even get any drinks. Not only that, what's up, babies? What's up, babies?
Are we going?
Yeah, we're getting ready to go. I'm finish this video. If you drink and you some people smoke and all that, you spending a good $150, $200 in one weekend to have some fun. For that same price, you can learn how to make money to the point where you build it up and you build it up, right? And next, you know, you're making $1,000 a week, $5,000 a week, hopefully. But the opportunity is there to present itself, and you providing people with information that's changing their life. You providing them with the opportunity to be miles away from Monday. They hate Mondays. You know what I mean? So why not give them a chance where they can turn Mondays into fun days? Because now they can put their coworkers on game. Where they're excited about getting up because they're waking up with deposits into their account. With the Digital Boss Academy, it gives you that opportunity to do so. You know, it's only two people in the world. People who get paid when you shop and people who get paid when you shop. Either you paying to shop or people getting paid when you shop. Let that sink in. It's only two people in the world. Everything you have in your house was paid for or given to you. That means somebody at some point, unless it was stolen, got paid for it. What are you getting paid for? With this Digital Boss Academy, guess what? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to remake anything because they got PLR and MRR, which means you have master resale rights to a product. That's like you don't have to reinvent the tire. Just go put your name on it and sell it. Give people the opportunity to get the information to change their lives. If I were you, what I would do is a digital product, because you don't have to hold on to inventory. I've been that route before. You don't have to deal with customers just having a bad day, want to make your day bad. You can share positive, uplifting material, information, and take you through courses. And you can sell the different courses at different price points. You got low ticket items, you got high ticket items that come with mentorship. I mean, it walk you through it. If you can set up a Facebook page, you can get paid. Listen, say it again. If you can set up a social media page, you can get paid. Link in the description. Tap in below. Say hi to my babies.
Hi.
We see y'all at the top. Team Magnier, Real Life Lessons. We trying to pass out blessings. And the only L's we losing are the ones that's part of the world. You drop that L and you get in your word. See y'all at the top.